Guys, good morning! Andito naman ako. Day 2 namin dito sa Davao City. Training namin sa school at saka at the same time, ginagawa ko na naman yung OPA ko, yung copy-paste online system ko sa bakante kong oras after the training. And salamat po sa opportunity na to na binigay na kahit mayroon akong trabaho, kahit mayroon akong ginagawa, at sa free time kong ginagawa through my Facebook, through my Reels, through my TikTok, no? Kaysa mag-scroll ka dyan na wala kang kita, why don't you gamitin mo ito, yung Facebook mo, yung Reels mo, at yung TikTok mo. It is a copy-paste online system. Kami na po yung magpo-provide ng scripts, and ang ating gagawin lang ay mag-set ng appointments through local and international clients. All you need to do, your cell phone, your stable internet, yun lang, at sa bakante mong oras, at least 2 to 3 hours. Drop your how, drop your comment now para mag-guide kita. Thank you.